Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I, Miss Azra from Economics Department. Our course is Public Finance and Fiscal Policy, ECON-447. Today's lecture is lecture number 10, and the topic of today's lecture is public goods. These are the outlines, and we will go through definition and description, free riding, optimal provision, and problems of preference revelation. Definition: public good has two properties. First is it has been provided to one consumer. It is difficult, impossible to stop another one from enjoying it too. It is non-excludable. The amount of the good first enjoy has no effect on the amount you enjoy. Non-rival good. This is an example. Here you can see that TV signals are non-excludable, excludable, non-rival, rival. You can see that pure public good, impure public good, and pay-per-view, pure private good. How? Here you can see that pure public good is non-excludable, non-rival. Basic cable impure public good is rival as well as non-excludable. Satellite impure public good is non-rival and non-excludable. Pay-per-view pure private good is rival as well as excludable good. Here we have categorized the goods which are excludable, non-excludable, rival as well as non-rival goods. Consequences: not excludable goods. Very difficult for the private sector to provide it and make a profit in that case. Basic research, information, research and development. Non-rival goods, non-rivalry don't want to exclude people as it is inefficient. The marginal cost of them getting the good is zero and they get positive benefit. Free rider problem. Fundamental problem of all public goods is I had rather someone else paid for the public goods I consumed. This is called the free rider problem. Examples of free riders. In the USA, people pay voluntary subscription for the public broadcasting service which is less than 10%. In the UK, it is mandatory to pay the TV license fee. The town of Cambridge distributed 350 bikes around the town for people to use free of charge. You had to return the bike to a special stand after using it. Within 4 days, they had all gone. When can private provision of public goods work? You often found shops forming groups to improve the environment they act in, for example, Oxford Street Traders Associations. Also, rich neighborhoods sometimes pay for security patrols. Here, why does this work? People are not all the same. Some people value the public good a lot. Altruism: people feel good if they contribute to the public good. Warm glow. Users' fees for excludable public goods and for publicly provided private goods. Some public goods are excludable like roads and bridges, etc. Some goods, education, water, have large cost of supplying additional individual are often publicly provided. How does welfare get maximized? The best possible is to allow everyone to travel and to somehow pay for bridge. Here are the number of users as well as price of that good, and this is the demand curve for the users. Let's suppose that is the cost of a bridge, and this diagram shows the demand for the users. Here you can see that if you charge a fee to the recoup the cost of the bridge welfare goes down. Here you can see that number of users are available on x-axis as well as price level on y-axis. Price and fee is constant. Here there is no change in price or fee. This is demand curve and this is the cost of the bridge. In pure public goods, anything with a positive consumption externality, gasted goods, roads, club goods, excludable with congestion like museum, local public goods like parks, library, efficient provision of public goods. This is the marginal benefit curve of public goods and this is the marginal cost of the public goods. This is the equilibrium level of the marginal cost and marginal benefit cost. How much public goods should the government provide? These are the recommended books. Dear students, I have taken help from these books. You can also use the other books which are available in your course contents and I have already provided course content to you people. You can also consult me telephonically as well as through email. Thank you, dear students.